So this is the right hand side as I'm looking in. Obviously I'm inside, so this is the right hand side to the big doors, and see where he's had to fill that up. Look, so far he's not finished it yet, because he can only do it so much thickness, and then he's got to go brush that down and then seal it and do it again. So this is the window, well, this is the door window that's now been finished off. You can see what a lovely job it is, all sealed off properly now. So that's one of the doors, and then we have the bathroom window. So basically this is what William called the bond de dressage. So this is where the window actually sits onto here, gets all fixed in, goes all the way round. Then he's got his windowsill. So that one is the bedroom one, bathroom, sorry, getting mixed up. And then this one is the bathroom. So say all the wall has all been finished off nicely, so then the window just fixes straight onto it, which is all new to me. I don't know how long this has been happening, where the builders have to put this, I don't even know the word in English, the bond de dressage. And that's the patio doors, and then this is the kitchen window. Same thing, look, all really nicely finished off, ready just to plop the windows in. And then this is the left hand side door. So basically this one was the worst one. There was a lot of stonework out here, so he's had to really try and build it up here to make it all fit it back in again. So yeah, he's had to really fill that one out. He wasn't looking forward to doing that one because of how much work that was going to take, but done a cracking job. So all ready now for the windows just to fit in. And all the steps have been done now, all cemented in, so got your little windowsill out. So yeah, it's all looking really good. I mean, look at the view. You've just got, you know, this is going to be a window door, and then you've got the view out there, look. And another rubbish day, looks like it's going to rain again. And what more can you ask for is a view like that? So there you go, that's the window doors being done. All the rest of the windows have all been filled in now and looking absolutely superb. So that's it till Friday's episode. Keep watching till the very end, because there's another little announcement I want to make to you, and hope you've enjoyed this little episode. It's not a very long one. I've been really busy trying to make cakes and been dog grooming and quite busy this week, and then little Jacob's got to go in for an operation on Thursday, so it's all a bit mad this week. Anyway, don't forget, thumbs up, press the like button, ring the bell, subscribe. Don't forget to check if you're still subscribed, and thank you very much, and see you Friday. Ciao ciao.
As you know, we've got a busy few days coming up here, Tan.
Got a very busy time ahead of us, Ash.
We don't do things by half, so we already had a couple of busy days, and we just thought, why not just add another one to it?
Yeah.
And what's it for? We've
extended it for my do, is for when I go back to Tanzania in September. I'm going back to the orphanage, and I'm doing raising some funds so I can buy supplies. So what I did last year, I bought lots of supplies with the money that people donated for climbing up Kilimanjaro. I am not climbing Kilimanjaro.
Not again. No.
No.
You're running it this time.
I'm running it, yeah. Because I'm so on form.
Go for a bike.
Bike it, yeah. I've seen lots of bikers there last year. No, we're not doing that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just making lots and lots of cakes. Been really, really busy, and so it's going to be
Again,
cakes.
that's an understatement. Like lots and lots of cakes. How many hundreds of cakes?
Quite a lot.
Yeah, quite a few hundred, and we've got drawers and drawers of scones.
Yeah.
Sue and Tanya have been busy making all the cakes for the open days, so we've got some for ours and we've got some for yours.
Yep.
And it's going to be nice tea and afternoon in the garden. Now the garden's coming into bloom anyway.
And hopefully it's going to be nice, because today's been
hit and miss.
Yeah.
We can say hit and miss, but
hit and miss.
It's peed it down all day basically.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sheet rods,
yeah.
literally stair rods coming down. So
it is what it is. Well, that's summer.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It is.
But we've got some beautiful plants coming out now. Nobody's seen these yet, not even on our channel, Tanya.
Yeah.
So the agapanthus are in full bloom and just look absolutely stunning. And just the colours, it's exactly the colours that we were going
Beautiful,
for.
aren't they then?
And
then pineapple plants.
Our little pineapple lilies. So the pineapples came out. Now we didn't actually know they did this. Now they've all started blooming. So we've got beautiful little flowers. And again, just seeing all the insects and wildlife. And when you're here, you can't hear anything but just birds and bees and
it's lovely.
Little bits bopping about. It's just beautiful. So I think it's a perfect place to have your do and our do.
And here as well, you don't get the wind so much, and it's warmer.
Yeah, it just blows over, doesn't it? It just seems the wind goes over the walled garden. So I think it'll be a perfect couple of days.
It will.
Fingers
Looking
crossed we have
forward
the
to
weather
seeing
for
everybody.
Yeah, I think it's going to be quite a few here.
I think so. People that I've seen, it's like if they can't come to my do, then they come into the open day, and yeah, it's going to be busy.
Yeah. So we've got the chateau open day on Friday the 12th between 12 and 4 o'clock.
Yes.
And that's basically if you want to come round, see the grounds, see what we've been up to, see the work inside the chateau, what's going on.
It is an open day.
Yeah, it's a proper porte ouvert.
Yeah.
So you're more than welcome to all come along. And then on Sunday the 14th, your event is 11 till 3.
Yes.
And it'll be afternoon tea in the gardens.
Yes.
Which will be lovely.
Yeah. Looking forward to seeing you all. And the 12th of July is my birthday. So.
Yeah, so you make sure you get her a nice present.
Thank you everybody, and we'll see you all soon.
Bye.
Oh.